Now I've already gone down and snaked this drain, and we've got flow, and we're going to go in and take a look with a camera and see what is going on and why it clogged.
Yeah, I'm glad you're doing this because these people have lived here for only a few years now, and they've had you come out how many times?
This is about the fifth time. I'm coming out every 6 months. It's a high frequency, there's something going on, and we're finally going to go down and take a look and see what's causing the backups. This is a pipe joint where two pipes come together and you have a root intrusion, very small. This was definitely not the clog.
So that fuzzy stuff coming in there is roots coming, but is it coming into the pipe or?
Oh yeah, yeah, they like the water and the nutrients in there, and it's food for them.
And that'll just continue to grow, and eventually can it block a pipe?
Oh yeah. This here is a clean out access.
I haven't seen another one.
It's buried in the front yard, and it's under the dirt or a bush.
What's this?
This is the flat surface of the lights of the camera shining on it. It's a smaller pipe size, and it looks like a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch lip down at the bottom, and you can see the water puddling on it.
That looks like it could really stop something and cause big problems. Is that a problem, or is that typical?
No, this is not typical. This is really a bad installation here. You would never go from a larger pipe to a smaller pipe and have a lip like that. It creates clogs, actually. The camera is you can see it jumping over the lip, which means anything could catch on that bottom lip.
So probably our clog was like right there before you cleaned it out with the snake, right?
No, this looks like your main clog.
Oh wow, it's still there. But you clogged. I thought you cleaned it out.
Well, we cabled through it, and you could see off to the right-hand side that the water is flowing around it, but the clog is completely there.
So if you didn't have the camera, we would have thought it was cleaned out, huh?
Oh yeah, this is where most plumbers would.
What are you doing?
I'm hitting it with the camera head, trying like a battering ram to push it or see kind of what it is or if it will move. But it looks pretty tough. It's probably something growing in from the side.
Yeah, because you had the water was running pretty well. So it looked like it was clear.
Yeah, that's the deceiving part of drain clearing is if you really don't go looking down in the sewer, the assumption is it's working because you got flow, and you can clearly see that I got flow, but the obstruction was still there. Running a little more water to wash the camera head down and see if I can't kind of flush it down by me pushing on it with the camera.
So this would be likely to clog again, like pretty quick.
Yeah.
Oh, looks like you got it. It's clear now.
Well, what I did is I pushed through the right-hand side of it.
Oh, okay, so it's still back there. Or going on.
Correct. And I'm going to go down and see if there's any more. Before I go get my equipment, I'm going to go down and see what's farther down the line. Those are more connections, more pipe joints. You can see how important it is that the pipes line up together and that they're not off. You can see the little lip there.
So how bad is this pipe? Is it typical or?
No, this one's pretty bad. You have a lot of small intrusions, which might not clog, but they will eventually. You had a different pipe size, and you had a large object growing in there. So this one's pretty bad. My recommendation would be I could remove the things in the front yard from vegetation to cement, put your front yard back together as if we were never there. This is your city sewer main. This is what's out in the middle of the street. So we're out about 53 feet. All right, we're coming down now with the snake, and I have the camera head right behind the head of the snake. And, oh, there I go. I can't even get it through the little lip. We got lucky.
Yeah, you can see how that really could snag a lot of stuff.
Yep, now we're going to basically, without the camera being right here, there's no way for any plumbing technician to find this exact location and really work this clog. you really need the drain vision camera right at that spot so you can see what you're doing on the screen.
Yeah, and in fact, you would have probably cleared it with the snake the first time, and we thought we were pretty much done. We thought it was pretty much cleared out. But I'm glad you're down here with this now because we can see that there's still more there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, now that you have the camera down there, you should be able to clear it out pretty easily, I guess.
This one's pretty tough. Let's see what happens.
Okay, so you've been working this clog for now for like 6 minutes, and it's still there. Is that pretty typical?
This one's a real tough one. And, we had an improper installation. We have root intrusions everywhere. And this one was the worst. We can dig up your front yard, pull your plants out, remove concrete, put in a new pipe, and put your front yard back together as if we were never there. And that would be my recommendation for this sewer line.
So if you were to replace the sewer line, what would it be replaced with?
We do cast iron sewer main pipe.
So it's one long shot all the way down, or?
Well, they come in 10-foot sections, so there would be a joint, but there's a rubber coupling with a stainless steel band, and the plants really can't grow through it because of the new technology.
So it's all the modern technology would be what you'd put in?
Yeah. Thank you for using Marin Plumbing. We're saving the world one toilet at a time.